How to add an appendix in Google Docs. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Google Docs. Now the second thing you would like to do is to select the document that you want to add this appendix to. Now just in case you come across an academic paper where you are referenced to see more about something, now this is where the appendix come in. As you can see on my page is figure 1, but there's no actual figure there. There's no drawing, there's no image, so you are being referenced to see more of something, and this is where the appendix come in place. Now the next thing we want to do over here is to go to the bottom of this page and insert a page break. And to do that, you want to go to the top of your screen and click the plus icon there, and then you're going to scroll over to where you see page break and click on it. Now we'll go ahead and type in the title of this page, which is appendix, and then you want to make sure that it's in the middle of your page, just as you would for any other title. And over here, this is me trying to make it bold, and then I also went ahead to give it an underline. Now let's go ahead and import our images, because for me today what I'm referencing in this academic paper are images. Now you want to go to the top of your screen and click on the plus icon. Now you are going to be tapping on images, and I'm going to select this from my photos because I have them on my phone. Now this graph was what I referenced as figure 1. Now after putting that, you want to go ahead and type in the title of this graph. Please note that this reference doesn't just have to be an image. It can be a link, it can be a graph, just anything you want people to know more about that you referenced on your academic paper. You can actually add it here. Please give it a title that when people come across it and when they go ahead to read it, they get to understand why it was referenced on that page. You want to give them like more insight why. This is what you can't do on your paperwork, and that's why it's on the appendix. And guys, I went ahead to add a second one. You can add as many as you want. Anything that is being referenced on your paperwork, you want it here. And this is exactly how to add an appendix in Google Docs. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.